Hello. Recently, I had the opportunity to provide library instruction to Miss Mathis' English comp class, so this is just a brief refresher for them. We are starting at the library's homepage, which is www.southwest.tn.edu/library. They will be writing a research paper on topics that deal with animals. So we will be finding information on animal cruelty, animal rights, and pit bulls. In order to find books, you would use CyberCat, and I would suggest you perform a title search. And let's start off with animal rights and press submit. There are 7 titles that are listed. I'm interested in animal rights, what everyone needs to know. In line number 2, I have the title listed in blue. I have my author's name, the place where the book was published, the publisher, and the copyright year. The most important information is that this item can be found at our Born Bloom Library, which is at the Macon Cove campus. You have the call number for that item, and the status says available. If you would like, this item can be sent over to Maxine Smith for you. Simply click on request. You would need your name and the barcode number off of your college ID. Once you submit this, you will then select Maxine Smith as the delivery location. Make sure that you take your student ID upon receiving an email that the item has arrived. We are now going back to the library's homepage, and next we're going to electronic databases, and our page has a new look, so our various categories are listed. Each frame will expand, so we're starting with database collections, and once we expand it, we have 3 titles, and we're going to tell the Tennessee Electronic Library. The first thing that you need to do is select all of the titles listed here, and now let's search for animal cruelty, and press search. And we're waiting for our information to populate based upon all of the titles listed in tail. And we have 3 lines of information. In the first line, the first thing we will see is that all of our documents will display full text information. Our information has been filtered into the various categories here. So I am interested in academic journals, which are more scholarly. So if I select academic journals, now in the middle column, I have those articles listed for me. So my title is in blue, along with the name of the publication. I have the date, I have a word count, and I have 1 or 2 sentences. I can look at just the text, or I can look at the scanned version, which is the PDF pages. Just select which one of these is your preference to display the full text. Once that entire article appears, you will notice that your topics are appearing in red, and your toolbox is over to the right hand side. You can look at the scanned version. You can send this to the printer. You can send it to your email. You could download it to a USB drive. This class will actually be citing their resources in MLA style. So if you click on Citation Tools, MLA 7th is already selected, so we click Save. And now we will open. And this software has now created this in MLA style for us, and all you have to do is copy and paste this into your Works Cited page. I am closing this window out. I am now closing out Citation Tools. You can share this on a social network. You can translate this into other languages. And if you are an audio learner, you can listen to this being read to you, or you can download it as an MP3. Your navigational buttons are up at the top, or we can go back to where we originally started from. I am now going to return to library, which takes me back to our databases page. I am expanding the window for current events, and we are going to points of view. points of view will give you the pros and cons of a topic. So now I am typing in pit bulls and search. You have your various tabs which has filtered the information across the top. Your titles are listed in blue along with your author's name, and we have something that says HTML full text. So if you see an article that looks interesting, simply click on HTML full text, which will display the full text of that information for you so that you can read. You also have the option to listen to this based upon a certain accent, based upon a certain reading speed, or you can download it as an MP3. You can send this to the printer, you can send it to your email, and you can also get the citations. Now we're having some navigational problems, so we will not click on X because it will close us all the way out. Until this has been corrected, if you would just use your left arrow to go back because we want to stay within our databases. We are now going to the category of electronic books. There are two electronic books I want you to see, so we are going to Credo Reference first, and this is a collection of reference ebooks that we have. Animal rights is already in my search box, so I will search this now. There are 1,249 results for animal rights, and as we scroll down, if you see something that looks interesting, this is actually the title of the item along with the brief summary. Simply click on that title link, and this is the full text information that is in that reference book. We have the ability to send it to your email or save it, but I want you to click on EasyBib, and EasyBib is a software that will cite this for you, and you can then copy and paste this or email it for your works cited page. I am clicking on this X, and now I'm using once again my left arrow to go back because of our navigation problems. We're going back to electronic books, and I want you to see Netlibrary. This is our largest ebook collection that we have. And let's again search for animal rights. And I press enter this time. There are 79 books that are available on animal rights, and I have pictures of the books. We have the title, and we have our author and publishing information. Ebook full text will open up the book so that you can start reading it. You can go to the table of contents and go to a certain chapter. You can download this book and read it offline also. So this is Netlibrary. I'm going back to my databases page, and I want you to go to Multimedia, and when we expand this, everything up on the Multimedia is a video or DVD collection. So I am looking for the Master Academic Collection. There are about 5,000 videos that are here. And let's search for animal rights. There are 5 videos that are here. So if I was interested in images of endangered animals and animal protests, I can simply select this, and I'm waiting for this video to queue up. I can look at certain segments of it, or I can look at the full thing by simply clicking on this diamond. We can cite this in MLA style also. Once again, I am going back. Now, instead of going to the databases page, I'm going all the way back now to the library's home page, and the library is listed over to the left hand side, so I could quickly go back. I am now going to our Distance Education Library Infonet page, and I just want to simply go to How To. And on this page, if you have never written a research paper before, there's a link for that, or you could just start off by writing a paragraph or an essay. So this is our How To page. I'm going back to the library's homepage now. And there may be some other resources that are available, but this is a quick overview of the things that I actually showed them last week. So good luck on writing your research paper and have a great day.